EasyVid presents the 10 best iOS game controllers. Let's get started with the list.
That little mouse, 'cause I'm an albatross.
Starting off our list at number 10. Designed to make using on-screen controls easier, the DLAM Mobile is a compact option offered at a budget-friendly price. It features a powerful cooling fan and a built-in power bank that can charge your phone if it starts running out of juice while you're playing. It's a durable construction with an adjustable telescopic grip. However, of course, it doesn't have any buttons of its own. At number 9, it's easy to connect the Dark Walker 206 to a variety of gadgets using the simple and reliable pairing process. It works with iPhone, Android, and iPad operating systems, and the high-performance vibrating motor enhances gameplay. It includes a charging cable and is relatively inexpensive, but you get just 10 hours of battery life. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the Fly Digi Wasp 2 Elite is compatible with both iOS and Android devices and utilizes gamepad and touchscreen controls. Its relatively slim profile makes it extremely portable and a good choice for playing your favorite titles on the go. It comes with a comfortable left-hand grip and a travel pouch, however you get only one joystick. At number 7, it's not very convenient to lean your phone against something to play games, but you won't have to with the mounting bracket on the PXN Speedy. Pressure-sensitive input allows for precise control, and it works with Apple products that have iOS 7.0 and above. It charges fully in 2 hours and doesn't require key mapping, but it is somewhat expensive. Moving up our list to number 6. The GameSir G6 can accommodate devices up to 6.5 inches long and can run for up to 80 hours on a full battery. It combines the advantages of an analog controller with a touchscreen and has 10 buttons that can all be remapped. It's relatively compact and weighs less than 6 ounces and is backed by a 1-year warranty. Halfway up our list at number 5. With the most recent firmware and iOS updates, you can connect the 8-bit Do SN30 Pro Plus to iOS and macOS devices. You can remap every button and joystick on this model and create custom user profiles for different games. It works with the Nintendo Switch and its vibration intensity can be adjusted, but it's not equipped with a headphones jack. At number 4, the Sony DualShock 4 offers the classic configuration that PlayStation users have been accustomed to for years. For devices using iOS 13 or later, it's now relatively easy to pair with this choice compared to operating systems from the past. It's a sturdy construction that's available in multiple colors, however it is somewhat expensive. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Rotorad 1850 requires a wired connection, which means it has lower latency than other options and connects to Apple products via a lightning cable. It features a removable phone support post, but it must be plugged in to use. It's officially MFI certified and works with some drones. It offers pass-through charging. At number 2, the right joystick on the GameSir T4 Pro glows in the dark, and the buttons are backlit by multiple colors. The vibrating motor offers 5 intensity levels to choose from, and it can be connected via Type-C cable, Bluetooth, or 2.4 GHz wireless. It comes with a USB dongle and a phone bracket, and it's compatible with MFI games. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the Xbox Wireless is known for its reliability, build quality, and precision, which are almost impossible to beat. It's available in a variety of colors or artistic and camouflage patterns, and is constructed to last a long time. It features a comfortable textured grip and a standard headphones jack, and it can be powered by AA batteries or a USB cable.